Running metal clad, abbreviated MC, and Cat5 cables in the same conduit can present potential problems due to electromagnetic interference, or EMI. MC cable generates a magnetic field when current flows through it, and Cat5 cable is susceptible to EMI, which can degrade signal quality and cause data transmission errors. To mitigate the risk of EMI, firstly, use MC cables with a steel or aluminum interlocked armor. This provides better shielding against EMI. Secondly, separate the MC and Cat5 cables within the conduit. Place the MC cables on the bottom and the Cat5 cables on top, using cable spacers or ties to maintain separation. Thirdly, minimize the number of NC cables in the same conduit. Keep the number of NC cables to a minimum to reduce the overall magnetic field. Fourthly, consider using shielded Cat5 cable. Shielded Cat5 cable provides additional protection against EMI. Fifthly, avoid parallel runs. Run the MC and Cat5 cables in perpendicular directions within the conduit to minimize interference. Other considerations include conduit fill. Ensure that the conduit capacity is not exceeded when running both MC and Cat5 cables. You must also ensure proper grounding. Verify that the MC cable is properly grounded according to electrical codes. It is critical to observe proper bending radii for both MC and Cat5 cables to avoid damage or signal loss. While it is possible to run MC and Cat5 cables in the same conduit, it is important to take steps to mitigate EMI and ensure proper cable separation and grounding. By following these recommendations, you can minimize potential problems and ensure the integrity of your electrical and data cabling systems.